GVL Narasimha Rao, MR Venkatesh, Danish Ali, Kumar Danish Ali, Sundar Balakrishnan, Alimuddin Khan and Mr. Rajiv Rai. Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening to all of you. Every night, Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, the issue is such a burning issue. How is it that they are able to get away with it so brazenly? Why is it that they are so brazen about the fact that DK Shivkumar has got a taint of corruption on him? He's been caught with a huge cash stash. But they're actually going ahead and garlanding him, putting out a bouquet. The mutate birthday celebration itself was so grandeur and so lavish that it became an eyesore for those people who demand probity in public life. Get involved and tell us what you think. Isn't Rahul Gandhi on test? For all the claims that he makes and all the pot shots that he takes at the government and at Mr. Narendra Modi, should Rahul Gandhi first not live up to what he claims or what he demands? Practice what you preach. That's also an age-old idiom, an age-old lesson that we are all taught. करना पड़ता है ना सिखाने से पहले. अलीमुद्दीन खान.
बताऊं सर 17th August 1988 at 4:30 p.m. from Prime Minister House, Mr. Ronan Sen, that closet to Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, called US Ambassador Mr. Dean Gunther, telling him that General Ziaul Haq plane is crashed and our satellite, Indian satellite, has recorded, filmed the event. Whatever we are talking is, it is the gift of the Sri Rahul Gandhi ji to this nation, this technology.
Rahul Gandhi.
He went to US and then got the technology.
Rahul
and again,
Gandhi.
another incident I tell you,
Rahul
the difference
Gandhi.
between Rajiv Gandhi ji, sir. Rajiv Gandhi ji. You see, Rajiv Gandhi ji got 413 seats. Sir, Rajiv Gandhi ji got 413 seats in Parliament.
Yes, we know also. He also got
power did not went to his head.
Alimuddin Khan. Alimuddin Khan.
He also got before.
Alimuddin Khan.
To identify
Alimuddin Khan.
Alimuddin Khan, I do not know what you smoked this afternoon.
MR
लंच के लिए
Venkatesh.
क्या खाया आप? क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
रुकिए तो सही. MR Venkatesh, please. MR Venkatesh.
क्या सब्जेक्ट है और क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
देखिए, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है.
ये मजाक
सुनिए
करते
तो
जा रहे
सही.
हैं.
सुनिए, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. अलीमुद्दीन खान. अलीमुद्दीन खान रुकिए. उम्मीद. आप मेरी बात तो सुनिए. अलीमुद्दीन खान रुकिए.
राजीव जी brought technology to this country.
आप देखिए.
सर
सुनिए तो सही. सुनिए. नहीं. मैं आपसे एक बात कर रहा हूँ. अलीमुद्दीन खान सुनिए. अभी जब तक मैं डेसिबल लेवल बढ़ाता नहीं हूँ, आप अपना डेसिबल डाउन नहीं करते. ऐसा मत कीजिए. MR वेंकटेश, देखिए, उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है. वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी. ये दो चीजें हैं which is a perennial parallel line of thought with me whenever I am debating with Mr. Alimuddin Khan. इस उम्मीद पे मैं कायम हूं कि कभी तो मेरे सवाल का वो सीधा जवाब देंगे. और वो सुबह कभी तो आएगी. वो सुबह कभी आएगी जब वो समझेंगे कि जब रागा ऑन टेस्ट की बात हो रही है तो वो राजीव गांधी नहीं है, राहुल गांधी हैं.
God bless you.
वो राजीव गांधी नहीं है, राहुल गांधी हैं. और मैं राहुल गांधी के बारे में पूछ रहा हूं, आप हर बार राजीव गांधी को क्यों घसीट लाते हैं? मैं जब राहुल गांधी की बात करता हूं, अलीमुद्दीन खान, आप राजीव गांधी पे पहुंच जाते हैं, वहीं आपकी सुई अटक जाती है, या फिर इंदिरा गांधी पे आप अटक जाते हैं. I just want to understand, is the Congress now realize that there is no point talking about Rahul Gandhi? Let's always talk about Rajiv Gandhi and Indira Gandhi. वहां कुछ कहने के लिए तो है. यहाँ there is nothing to say. Is that the case, GVL Narasimha Rao? Is that the case, MR Venkatesh?
He is yet to become Prime Minister, sir. Let him be Prime Minister, then he will deliver.
अरे पहले प्रेसिडेंट बन जाए कांग्रेस पार्टी के. 5 साल से कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
That will be the
हम भी वहाँ भी उम्मीद कायम है सर. वहाँ भी उम्मीद कायम है. वहाँ भी उम्मीद बनी है कि वो बन जाएंगे. वहाँ भी उम्मीद बनी है कि वो बन जाएंगे. वो सुबह भी कभी आएगी.
अलीमुद्दीन खान,
वो सुबह भी कभी आएगी.
I know you are not. I know you don't. You are not. Alimuddin Khan, I know you don't wish India good, but don't curse this India to this extent that Rahul Gandhi should become the Prime Minister of this country. I think this great nation deserves something better, even as a curse. Now come to this point, this gentleman, DK Shivkumar, whatever is his name, has been one of the worst perpetrators of corruption. He is a money bag in South Indian politics. ये घर घर में सबको पता है कि ये एक नंबर का काला धन में व्यापार करता है, लेकिन अभी तक इसका ठोस सबूत नहीं था, लेकिन अभी ठोस सबूत मिल गया है. So I only wish that the agencies, including the Enforcement Directorate, Income Tax and CBI, now take the matter to a logical...
It is a media trial. He has
मेरी बात सुन लीजिए.
not been convicted by court. You are You are convicting him on
now there is no
television.
media.
Do you
अरे
think
आगे हो जाएगा, धीरज
convicting on
रखिए.
television, that will work?
No,
do you
no,
think?
sir,
That
धीरज
will not
रखिए,
work, my
हो
dear
जाएगा,
friend.
सबर कर
He
दीजिए.
is the person who
सबर कीजिए,
declared
हो जाएगा, हो
281
जाएगा.
crore
Yes, होगा.
in his affidavit to the election commission. He has
अरे कहाँ से आया?
industries.
मेरा बाप
He
का
is a
पैसा
rich
था.
fellow.
मेरा बाप का पैसा था, आपका बाप का
कहाँ
पैसा
से
था.
आया? He is running
क्या
five
इंडस्ट्री,
industries.
क्या इंडस्ट्री, सब मनी
He is
लॉन्ड्रिंग है.
running five
क्या
industries
बात कर रहे
for
हैं?
a
कौन सी
long
इंडस्ट्री
time.
लगते हैं?
For a long
ऐसी कैसी
time,
एक
sir,
इंडस्ट्री
not from
लगाते
now.
हैं? I will tell you one thing.
You are
This
convicting
man
him on
will be
television.
condemned.
That will not work,
अरे
Mr.
सर इनकी
Venkatesh.
पूरी अरे No,
I
you do
can
not know his history and
understand you are
geography.
अंधा भक्त.
I know it better
Sir,
than you.
आपके अंधभक्ति
So please
को मैं
keep
समझ
quiet.
सकता हूँ.
And no,
Sir, you cannot reason.
No.
You
Okay.
cannot
सर
reason.
पर्सनल
When
बात
a
मत
person
कीजिए.
to
मैं
honesty,
पर्सनल
he
बहुत
cannot
कुछ कर
reason.
सकता हूँ.
नहीं,
पर्सनल बात मत कीजिए. आप जिस पार्टी को बात कर रहे हैं, लुच्चे और लफंगे की पार्टी की तरफदारी मत कीजिए.
No, let's not. देखिए. Now I have got to intervene. I have to play referee here. There is a level to which, ladies and gentlemen. No, Alimuddin Khan and MR Venkatesh. Alimuddin Khan and MR Venkatesh. Please respect, sir.
उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट बोलते हैं?
नहीं, MR Venkatesh.
नहीं 5,000 crores.
MR Venkatesh,
you
please
tell
come.
me 5,000 crores.
देखिए.
No, 5,000 crores.
Gentlemen.
You have said he's having abroad.
Gentlemen.
He's buying better names. You call
he
him
is
an
doing
industrialist
on the
or you call him
national
a
TV
chore.
channel.
You tell me that.
What is this?
Gentlemen.
You tell me what you call him.
Gentlemen. MR Venkatesh.
What is this?
MR Venkatesh.
Question mark is
Yes.
questioning
MR
the,
Venkatesh.
You people are.
Wait a minute.
Wait a
minute.
We will call you.
MR Venkatesh, please wait. MR Venkatesh, please wait. MR Venkatesh, please wait. Sir, some decorum on the debate, please. I don't want this. I don't want the debate. I don't want the debate to slide. Gentlemen, please. Please calm down. Please calm down. Danish Ali, calm down. Danish Ali, wait. Danish Ali, wait. Danish Ali, please wait. Danish Ali, please wait.
उसको क्या बोलेंगे आप?
He is questioning the loyalty
Please
of
wait.
the panelists.
No, please wait.
He wants
उनको क्या बोलेंगे?
Danish Ali, Danish Ali,
he wants India
Danish
to,
Ali, Danish Ali, रुकिए सर, रुकिए, please.
this is too much.
नहीं, उन्होंने आपको नहीं बोला, मैं
मुझे नहीं बोला, किसी को भी बोला,
गलत बोला, मैं उनसे बात कर रहा हूँ, आप शांत हो जाइए, दानिश अली साहब आप शांत हो जाइए, दानिश अली साहब आप शांत हो जाइए, कुंवर दानिश अली प्लीज काम डाउन, Kuwar Danish Ali, please calm down. Kuwar Danish Ali, please calm down. Please calm down.
Why are you defending Shivkumar?
Kuwar Danish Ali, please calm down. Sir, I don't want to shout at you. Please don't shout. Let me speak to MR Venkatesh. Will you let me do that, sir? Please. You please calm down. Sir, you please calm down. Please calm down. मैं तब से तमीज से आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ, आराम से बात कर रहा हूँ. आप क्यों चिल्ला रहे हैं? Let me speak to MR Venkatesh, please. प्लीज,
क्योंकि आपने इंटरवीन नहीं किया
मैंने, आप चिल्लाने लग गए, मैं नहीं चाहता था मैं चिल्लाऊं, क्यों कर रहे हैं आप? रुकिए. MR Venkatesh and Alimuddin Khan, देखिए, you might have your personal differences, ideological differences. हम यहाँ डिबेट कर रहे हैं, हम मजाक करते हैं, व्यंग्य करते हैं, एक दूसरे से सवाल पूछते हैं, लेकिन डिबेट की गरिमा को आप ठेस न पहुंचाएं, एक दूसरे पर आप आक्षेप पर्सनल ना करें. प्लीज डोंट कॉल ईच अदर्स नेम्स. वी डू नॉट नीड आई नो. MR Venkatesh, please take back, please retract those comments.
1 minute.
And I'm going to ask Alimuddin Khan also to refrain from making. No,
I will retract. I will say anybody who has anybody who has asset abroad is a chore. And you have said somebody has got 5,000 crores of assets abroad in Benami name. What do you call him? A honest man? You call him a devata? You call him a Puritan? You will call him only chor, lucha, lafanga. And
No.
that is the language I will use for anybody who has undeclared assets abroad.
Right.
Now tell me.
Right.
No.
Now my point
you
is.
are debating a person
Mr.
who has
Venkatesh,
proven
Now-
Mr.
who has got
Venkatesh,
assets.
you
Now
are
that he has-
hijacking
now that he has
seriousness
got-
of the purpose
Right.
and
Now that-
sense of
Now-
the
No,
decorum
up
of
to
The other
debate.
aspect. Now.
What seriousness? You do not know the seriousness of this debate. 5,000 crores कोई बाहर रखा है और आप बोलते हैं उसको
You are
छोड़ नहीं
hijacking
बोलेंगे। तो क्या
seriousness
उनको आप बताएं
and
उनको
sense of
देवता
debate.
बोलेंगे?
देखिए MR Venkatesh,
telling you, asking a question.
देखिए,
You tell me,
see,
आप
please,
एक
you
चोर
can
को क्या
lose your
बोलते हैं?
cool, you can
एक
lose
चोर
your
नहीं तो
cool,
क्या है
you can
बोलिए?
lose your cool, but
बताइए
you'll
आप।
also lose control of your tongue, sir. I don't want
No,
you to
I'm
do
not
that.
losing my cool.
I don't want you to do that. Point is, there are two ways to
I
look
don't.
at it.
I'm
please,
telling you,
please.
anybody who has got assets,
It's not
I
required.
am
You don't
telling
need to use those adjectives. You
undisclosed
don't need to
assets
use that
also.
language. Is my
Venkatesh, please.
I want to impress upon both of you gentlemen.
please.
देखिए आप लोग
Sir, I respect you, sir. Take
Fair
water.
नहीं, अलीमुद्दीन खान थोड़ा पानी आप भी पी लीजिए,
My view.
क्योंकि कभी कभी आप भी
Sir,
कुछ
I
ऐसी
respect
बातें
you.
बोल जाते हैं जो
Please take
जरूरत
water,
नहीं है.
sir.
सुनिए
I respect you, sir.
सुनिए अब एक
Please
बात
take
बता रहे
water.
हैं. Now let's move on the debate. The point has been noted. We will draw a line in terms of calling names or saying things which are personal and which is not required, because there are a lot of people watching this debate and who also form an impression. People are reacting to what you are saying, MR Venkatesh and Alimuddin Khan. It's not required, because the simple aspect that stands out is, we know why the Congress is not acting. When you make this point of 5,000 crores allegedly stashed abroad, 300 crores of declared assets, which Alimuddin Khan says, look what they're talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, they are only talking about crores. They're only talking about Mr. Moneybags. That's the only reason why कोई चू नहीं कर रहा उनके खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी के अंदर.
But Anand ji,
रुकिए, now let me ask the other panelists. Kuwar Danish Ali, am I right or wrong?
It will go in the court.
Am I right or wrong? अरे अलीमुद्दीन खान रुकिए ना, अलीमुद्दीन खान रुकिए. आप कोर्ट में गए थे क्या? कांग्रेस पार्टी कोर्ट तक गई थी, कोर्ट का फैसला सुनने के लिए रुकी थी जब राहुल गांधी की गाड़ी पे पत्थर फेंका था. आपने कहा कोर्ट जो फैसला करेगी, जिसको सजा सुनाएगी, कॉप्स को उनको करने दीजिए, हम सड़क पे नहीं उतरेंगे, हम कोई प्रचार नहीं कर रहे, हम कोई प्रोटेस्ट नहीं कर रहे, हम कोई कैंपेन नहीं चला रहे सोशल मीडिया पे, हम किसी को कुछ नहीं कह रहे. राहुल गांधी ने क्यों नरेंद्र मोदी पर आरोप लगाया? कोर्ट ने फैसला किया कि नरेंद्र मोदी ने चलवाया पत्थर. क्यों चलाया, क्यों डाला उन्होंने ट्वीट?
देखिए आनंद जी,
अरे रुके, नहीं अलीमुद्दीन खान, अब फैक्ट्स पे, अब मैं फैक्ट्स पे आपसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं. अब मैं फैक्ट्स में आप पे सवाल पूछ रहा हूं. देखिए जितना मैं आपके साथ व्यंग्य करता हूं, उतने ही मेरे पास तथ्य भी हैं. एक बात बताइए, उन्होंने नरेंद्र मोदी का नाम तो खींच दिया वहां. अब अगर नरेंद्र मोदी जी का इसमें कोई रोल नहीं था, झंडे में और पत्थर पे, राहुल गांधी पूरे देश के सामने प्रधानमंत्री जी से माफी मांगेंगे? कोर्ट ने फैसला दिया है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं, तो उन्होंने कैसे चला दिया ऐसा, कैसे लिख दिया ऐसा? नहीं, कोर्ट ने तो फैसला नहीं दिया डीके शिव कुमार के खिलाफ. कोर्ट ने कोई फैसला दिया है कि किसने पत्थर फेंका था और किसके कहने पे फेंका था?
आनंद जी,
तो कैसे आपने डिसाइड कर लिया?
आनंद जी अब सुनिए,
तो यहां पे आप डिसाइड कर सकते हैं, वहां पे आप डिसीजन नहीं लेंगे. क्यों? वहां एक पत्थर की बात है और यहां 5,000 करोड़ की बात है, एलिजेडली करोड़ों की बात है. इसलिए जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव,
देखिए जहां तक राहुल जी पर अटैक,
नहीं, अभी रुक जाइए. मैं बोल रहा हूं अगर आप एक पोजीशन लेते हैं ना, तो उस पोजीशन को कॉन्स्टेंटली लीजिए, बराबर लीजिए.
बीजेपी यूथ
होल्ड द सेम पोजीशन.
बीजेपी यूथ
नो, अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी टुडे सर, वी हर्ड द कांग्रेस स्पोक्सपर्सन, वी हर्ड सर. किसी एक ने ये कहा कि दिस लीडर शुड स्टेप डाउन पेंडिंग इंक्वायरी टिल द कोर्ट्स एब्सॉल्व हिम ऑफ हिज गिल्ट एंड द चार्जेस, ही शुड स्टेप डाउन. किसी ने बोला ऐसा?
अरे सर, आपको कुछ सुना रहा हूं, सुन लीजिए ना.
क्या सुना रहे हैं?
कितना क्यों नाराज हो रहे हो? सुन ले आनंद जी.
मैं कोई नाराज नहीं हो रहा हूं सर.
सुनिए,
मैं कोई नाराज नहीं हो रहा हूं.
सुनिए, फानूस बनकर, सर सुनिए, फानूस बनकर जिसकी हिफाजत हवा करे, वो सम्मा क्या बुझेगी जिसे रोशन खुदा करे. ये तो राहुल गांधी जी को तो खुदा रोशन कर रहे हैं. आपके पत्थरों
आपके शेर याद आ गया.
क्या होने वाला है? कुछ नहीं होने वाला है.
शेर किस बात के कह रहे हैं?
कुछ नहीं होने वाला है सर.
फानूस बनकर जो है अभी जिसके सर पे क्या मंडरा रहा है, स्कैम और पैसे और गबन मंडरा रहा है. और ये फानूस बनकर जब ऐसे मंडरा रहा है ना, तो देखिए ऐसे फूलों की माला पहनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा.
Police deliberately not arresting
opening
them.
up the debate. One sec, Alimuddin Khan. Let me open it up, please. There are other panelists who've been listening to a lot of noise that has happened so far. But there are certain questions which are factual and hard talk. Kuwar Danish Ali, GVL Narasimha Rao, sir, please, before I come to you, let's listen to the JDS. Is it not that because he's the money bags? Is it not because he's the one who's got the money within the Congress party in Karnataka today that they have got no courage to open their mouth against him?
Anand, I do agree that everybody knows what is Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. I am not here to defend Mr. D.K. Shivkumar. He is a controversial personality in Karnataka politics. But I still have apprehension whether the government of India will go forward to bring this case to any conclusion, or they will make D.K. Shivkumar another Hemant Biswa Sharma of Karnataka. Like in Sharda scam, Hemant Biswa Sharma was raided by the CBI, but afterwards he joined BJP and became the pointsman of BJP for the Northeast. JDS has fought against D.K. Shivkumar's all these corruptions. But at the same time, people want that why only actions are not being taken against Panama Papers, where Chhattisgarh Chief Minister's son's name is there. Why action has not been taken against other leaders of ruling party?
You know what?
Why action has been not taken?
Okay, let GVL Narasimha Rao answer it.
Agencies
GVL
are
Narasimha Rao.
selective agency.
GVL Narasimha, Sundar Balakrishnan and Rajiv Rai. After GVL Narasimha Rao will come to you. Yes, GVL Narasimha Rao. Yes.
I'd let Mr. Danish Ali not try and mislead people here. I think Hemant Biswa Sharma left Congress party because he was disgusted with Rahul Gandhi and his incapacity to lead
his
the Congress
name didn't
party.
occur in Sharda scam?
That was the primary reason.
Can you deny it?
You can,
whether his name was occurred in Sharda scam or not. Narasimha Rao, just tell me whether his name was occurred in Sharda scam or not.
Okay.
You shut up, Sharda scam. Sharda scam. In Sharda scam, TMC members
Gentlemen, GVL Narasimha Rao and Danish Ali. Please debate. I leave the floor to you to argue and counter-argue, sir, but don't speak over each other. Sir, Danish Ali and GVL Narasimha Rao. Danish Ali and GVL Narasimha Rao. Danish Ali, GVL Narasimha Rao. You have the floor to yourself for the next 2 minutes. But please control, and
the character of How BJP looted Karnataka.
One by one.
People of Karnataka has seen
Go ahead.
5 years BJP has looted. Now Congress ministers are looting.
Your party's
People of
character. We don't
Karnataka are
need to
going
debate
to
that
teach
now.
you a lesson.
I will debate some other time. I
Okay.
think
One by one, question and answer. Danish Ali, question and answer. Danish Ali, let GVL speak and then you speak, sir. Because let people listen to both sides. I want them to hear you guys. So if you speak over each other, it's not going to happen. I'm leaving the floor to you for another minute. Let GVL speak and then you counter. Yeah. Yes, GVL.
No, you see, like the Congress party, Rahul Gandhi, they've been fronting for corruption of the RJD and Lalu Prasad Yadav. JDS also has been fronting for the corruption. They are themselves a corrupt party. Therefore, they find Congress to be giving them company in corruption. Kumaraswamy's corrupt image is known to entire Karnataka. What is his personal character is known to the people of Karnataka. I don't want to dwell too much because it will be very embarrassing for Mr. Danish Ali if I start mentioning what all relationships that he has. So let's not get into that. As far as the BJP is concerned, in this particular case, D.K. Shivkumar is a person with very controversial background. He's known to all. He's been raided. Today, Congress party is trying to celebrate corruption by trying to really congratulate him for having gone through this raid. And it's a mockery of democracy. On the one hand, they are celebrating corruption with utter shamelessness in Karnataka. And in Gujarat, where people have been suffering misery, people have been forced to fend for themselves. The Congress MLAs have been celebrating in a living in a five-star resort in Karnataka, have not even gone back to really look after people. So I think people of Gujarat and people of Karnataka both are seeing the shamelessness of the Congress.
Now, there are questions, Danish Ali, before you intervene, sir, before you rebut.
And the manner
now,
in
GVL
which
Narasimha Rao, there are questions that are coming back.
The can of Congress on its shoulders.
Sir, there are people who are watching the debate right now and they are listening to the BJP. They have got questions. They say, what happens to Tejasvi Yadav? Why did the investigation slow down the moment your objective was achieved? What happened? The next question that has come, GVL Narasimha Rao. What happened to TTV Dinakaran? How is it that his name was not part of the charges and now he's actually an ally of the BJP? These are questions. M.R. Venkatesh, question being asked. Will you ask questions? Will you ask the same questions of disproportionate assets of some other senior leaders too in this country? That is also a question that's being asked. Why are you being selective only about the Congress? Is another person who's asking this. Now, there is Srinivasan saying, why is DKS's photo appearing repeatedly? One side is enough for Indian citizens to know. We want to show you the kind of lavishness that's being heaped upon him for being a tainted mantri within the Congress party. That's where somebody else asks, more dirt, more reward. Ramesh Kalwania is asking, by this policy, will he actually become the Prime Minister of the country? Now, Kunwar Danish Ali, these are people. Now, they'll also be responding to you. Go ahead, please.
See, I want to respond what GVL has said.
Yes.
GVL said that JDS is a corrupt party. Everybody in this country has seen that BJP president taking 1 lakh rupees on camera. Bangaru Lakshman was convicted. BJP national president was convicted. You are a most corrupt party. As far as the personal relationship of a leader is, if I am going to open my mouth, your top leaders, the highest leaders' personal relationship knows everybody. Please don't talk. And your ministers in the cabinet, Government of India minister on the camera says, ये पैसा भगवान तो नहीं लेकिन किसी भगवान से भी कम नहीं. दिलीप सिंह जुदेव, who was a minister in the union government, BJP government headed by Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, said it on camera while taking bribe कि ये पैसा कोई भगवान तो नहीं लेकिन भगवान से कम भी नहीं. तो मिस्टर GVL नरसिम्हा राव, आप इतने शेमलेस हैं, आप इतने दूध के धुले नहीं हैं. आपके बारे में, आपकी पार्टी के बारे में सब जानते हैं कि आप किसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, कितना करप्शन आपने किया है, कहां से 20,000 करोड़ रुपया, कौन से इंडस्ट्री से आया जो आपने इलेक्शन में खर्च किया.
Anand, do you have any role to play in this debate?
No. Yes, you have. Rajiv Rai coming to you, sir. Kunwar Danish Ali. देखिए.
Anand, 1 point. Anand, I am concluding. 1 minute. Anand, 1 minute.
ये 1 point करके आपने 6 मिनट खींच लिए राजीव राय और सुंदर बालकृष्णन से. उनके साथ उन्होंने तो आपका कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा. उनके साथ क्यों नाइंसाफी कर रहे हैं?
JDS is a honest party headed by Mr. Devegowda when he was
actions speak louder than words. Danish Ali, Kunwar Danish Ali, actions speak louder than words. We leave it at that. Sir, now BJP, JDS can keep calling each other names. I don't have time for that on the News Hour tonight. Limited time here. Rajiv Rai. Now, is this not true, sir? Is this not true? Is this not true that if the Congress party wanted to take a position on DK Shiv Kumar, they would have and they should have? Why is it that they are not?
That is up to Congress to respond. I am not here to defend Congress.
I am asking Rajiv Rai. I am asking the Samajwadi Party, whose leader has also taken pot shots at the BJP and he's also backed the Congress party. So I'm asking Mr. Rajiv Rai, let him answer.
Okay.
Anand, can I come in?
Yes.
Anand, my answer is in your sentence which you used for Mr. Alimuddin Khan. If you take a position, why don't you take position for both the things where Rahul Gandhi stone pelting and this corruption? I have a humble submission to you, Anand, and your channel. When you take a position against the corruption, I'm not here the spokesman for the Congress.
Correct.
Let me clarify. And for clarifying Congress stand, Congress spokesman is there. When you take a stand, if you don't have records. I'll mail it to you right now within 2 minutes. Neighbor state Maharashtra, 16 ministers are facing corruption charges.
Yes, they are.
Day before yesterday, another Prakash Mehta was charged with the corruption allegation. In the similar case, IS was removed, but no action was taken. Mr. Ajit Pawar has handed over CD to the Speaker of the House. No action has been taken. 16 ministers are facing corruption charges there in the Maharashtra. You don't talk about that. As far as Mr. D.K. Shivakumar is concerned, yes. All of us knows that in his affidavit, 250 crore is shown. His school is very next to my house in the Bangalore, where my children are also studying. He is a rich man. I don't know the bona fide this thing about the cash. This thing, it is for him to explain in the court. We cannot just here sitting in this channel. What I'm trying to say is.
So in the case of Prakash Mehta, in the case of IAS officers, in the other cases that you just highlighted of the BJP, GVL Narasimha Rao will answer that.
After half an hour,
in those cases,
you are not allowing me to complete.
In those cases, the courts should not wait. We should not wait till the courts decide. But in the case of D.K. Shivakumar...
No, you should also not wait. You should also not wait till the court decides as far as BJP government is concerned. You should also give 16 times more space on your channel for Maharashtra.
No, the point
you should also give.
अब मैं क्या करूं राजीव राय जी कि जिस दिन हम वो डिबेट करते हैं, जिस दिन जब हम वो हाईलाइट करते हैं, आप टाइम्स नाउ नहीं देखते हैं या फिर आप देखते हैं और याद नहीं रखते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है।
अब मैं क्या करूं? देखिए, अगर आपने धारणा बना ली है तो बना ली है। जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव से उस दिन में मैंने सवाल पूछे थे, आज भी आपने जो कहा है वही जवाब देंगे, मैं नहीं जवाब दूंगा। वही जवाब देंगे। जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव आप बोलिए।
43% सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर्स के ऊपर एफआईआर है। अब साइलेंट है।
अब मैं क्या करूं? अब आपने धारणा बना ली तो आपने बना ली। अब मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता। आप देखिए, आप अपने विचार व्यक्त करें।
प्रॉक्सी प्रवक्ता हैं, बोल रहे थे।
हाँ, वो बोल रहे, उन्हें बोलने दीजिए। जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव आपका जवाब दे रहे हैं।
अदानी जी का
जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव आपको जवाब दे रहे हैं।
आज में मोदी जी घूमते हैं।
जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव जवाब दे रहे हैं।
का पैसा है, अंबानी के बाप का पैसा है। अदानी के बाप कौन सा?
अच्छा, ठीक है, आप उत्तेजित मत होइए, आप उत्तेजित मत होइए। जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव जी को जवाब देने
इस तरह का लैंग्वेज में यूज नहीं करना चाहता था।
जी हाँ,
बट लेट
आप मत कीजिए ना, जरूरत नहीं है। अभी जीवीएल जवाब दे रहे हैं। राजीव जी जीवीएल जवाब दे रहे हैं, शांत हो जाइए। यस, जीवीएल नरसिम्हा राव, आंसर द चार्जेस ऑफ द समाजवादी पार्टी। दे से यू आर waxing eloquent against the Congress party. There are charges against your own across states. Please.
No, you see, the manner in which all political parties are coming out and defending the Congress corruption in different cases, not just in the case of D.K. Shivakumar, it only goes to show that there is an alliance of several parties. There is an alliance of JDS also wanting to support someone who is facing serious charges of corruption. The SP also is backing him. The RLD wants to back him. I think there is a UPA. It's not a UPA.
Sir, why are you backing corrupt ministers of Maharashtra?
It is a corrupt parties alliance. They have all, I think they feel compelled to really support each other, even when they don't really electorally depend on each other. So look
why are you backing 16 ministers of Maharashtra?
Of resistance coming from these
you
parties.
You don't have answer. Don't go on.
Protect corruption.
You are in power.
As far as BJP is concerned, we have been in government for 3 years at the center. More than 3 years, 2 months. Have you been able to level one charge against us? Not an iota, not a corruption charge.
Yes.
And as far as the states are concerned, wherever such cases exist, the chief ministers have proceeded against them. No one has been spared in the states. And then central government, there has not been an allegation also. Because we have given model governance for more than 3 years. So you have never been able to show honesty to the people of this country. And therefore today you are all ganging up to defend people facing charges of corruption, charges of black money. And this is the CPA, Corrupt Parties Alliance. And I think these numbers are swelling. I think the SP was not a formal part of the UPA. JDS was not a part of this, but then they are so attracted to this idea of corruption.
It is not necessary, Rajiv Rai and GVL Narasimha Rao, that you have to outshout each other. What happens is when you are making serious charges, sir, you are saying that the BJP has also involved or indulged in cash corruption in the past, and you are saying that even now there are charges of corruption against each of these parties and a lot of the party leaders. So you took the example of Maharashtra. Now let me just ask you this. As far as Maharashtra is concerned,
10 seconds.
As far as Maharashtra is concerned, allow me, sir, इतनी देर आप बोले, मैंने नहीं intervene किया, अभी मेरी बात सुने, अभी आप मेरी बात सुने, as I bring in Sundar Balakrishnan, 37 minutes वो बोले ही नहीं है, राजीव जी, वो बोले ही नहीं है, एक बार उन्हें बोले, फिर I'll come back to you, Sundar Balakrishnan, please tell me, did not Devendra Fadnavis stand on the assembly, on the floor of the assembly and address the charges against Prakash Mehta and also this IAS officer? Have you heard that from Siddaramaiah? Did he not suspend the IAS officer against whom these charges were made? They say no action taken, but the suspension happened on that very same day that the tape came out. They didn't even wait for the forensic labs to verify the authenticity of these tapes. Did Siddaramaiah say anything about DK Shivkumar? Did he say, please step aside till the charges against you are disproved? Did he? No. In every state where you are making charges against the BJP, there has been some amount of action taken. You would say, pura action nahi hua. But there has been some amount of immediate action taken against those who have acted as far as taint and corruption is concerned. I'm just saying, in this case, has there been any one word about what is the account for those 10 crores that have been recovered? 11.5 crores recovered so far. Sundar Balakrishnan.
Why no
Danish Ali, please let Sundar Balakrishnan speak.
Yeah,
Danish Ali, he's been waiting patiently. At least give him that courtesy. Give him that courtesy, Danish Ali, please. Danish Ali, please give him that courtesy.
In Chhattisgarh,
he has not interrupted you, sir. Sir, please let him speak. Let him speak. Yes, Sundar Balakrishnan.
Yeah, Anand. See, I'll tell you one thing. We are discussing. Today it is DK Shivkumar. Tomorrow it will be. I'm getting some echo. Can you just control that?
Yeah, they'll sort it. Yes, go on. Speak ahead, please.
Yeah. So today it is Shivkumar. Tomorrow it will be some A, B, or C, whatever it is. Now we have to discuss some big picture about big thing about this. What is it that we are repairing? First thing is, this is a case of disproportionate asset. Correct? Now. You have to take, I was just going through Nitin Gadkari's declaration affidavit, the latest affidavit that he has given. And that I was comparing with the money that he would have approximately spent in his wedding. Okay. Now, why don't, and other thing is, this income tax, CBI, all these people I have not seen any of these people going against the BJP ministers. Now you tell me, where has, in demonetization, how many of the BJP members have been caught? You just give me one example. Now point I'm making is, this CBI, income tax, ED, these people are being used only to target the opposition. Now my point is, let it be uniform for all the parties, cutting across all the party lines. That is not being done. Now, why are they not sending the income tax to these people for weddings?
I think it's a...
Why are they not sending? Now, coming back to this corruption here in Maharashtra.
So, Sundar,
now, coming back to the corruption in Maharashtra.
Before we come to Maharashtra,
I agree with you.
Break it down. Otherwise, your questions will be lost. Let GVL answer this and then we'll come back to you. And then you make your next point. Yes, GVL.
I think this is not borne out by facts. I think either you have not read the newspapers during the time demonetization was not on, or you are selectively misreporting or misquoting to suit your argument. I think during that period, out of so many 100 people that were caught with currency, inexplicable currency, there were many members associated with the BJP as well. Nobody was, in fact, that also became a point of news because it's certainly news for people.
What happened to Mr. Amit Shah? What happened to Mr. Amit Shah?
To the Honorable Prime Minister, please wait. Absolutely, don't talk trash.
What happened to Mr. Amit Shah, who was the director, who is the director in the cooperative bank in Ahmedabad?
This is a lie.
What happened to the disproportionate assets? Recently, there was a news report about Amit Shah and Smriti Irani about the inflation in their assets and why that was removed from the newspapers. You answer me that. Because all the newspapers are pressurized to remove that.
Okay, let him answer that. Sir, Sundar, let him answer that, please. Let him answer. Yes, GVL Narasimha. Yes.
No, there are some rogue elements who have made these charges without an iota of evidence.
and you are trying to be another rogue, making the same charges without any evidence. And if some people have really misreported it,
Don't use this word. Don't use this word.
WhatsApp messages
You
on
don't
this,
use this
it
word.
does
I'm
not
telling you,
become.
Anand, you have to
No, it's a rogue element. I will say these are rogue elements who have done
Ask
this.
him to keep his mouth shut.
There are
Ask
many
him to
rogue
be-
elements
ask him
who
to
have
keep his mouth
tried to
shut.
run a campaign
to
of
keep his mouth shut.
calumny, and you want I will
Anand,
call you a rogue if you want to use
Anand, I will
that rogue
not accept this.
information.
Now, my point is, ladies and
No, I
gentlemen.
will call you a rogue if
please.
you want to use
My
that
point
rogue
is,
information.
Anand, you please intervene here.
Calm down here, please. GVL Narasimha Rao, Kumar Danish Ali, Alimuddin Khan, MR Venkatesh, Rajiv Rai, and Sundar Balakrishnan. You're all senior people, very of people of stature who come on national debates. We have a lot of fiery debates, ladies and gentlemen, but we don't get to this level of name calling. What has happened to everybody today? Why are you guys, why are you people getting to a level where you are losing control, sir? We are asking Rahul Gandhi to take control, and here everybody is losing control. Verbal diarrhea is okay. Let us debate. Let us be heated about everything. Let us make charges. But let us also draw a line where we will have a certain level of decorum.
Yeah, I'm asking.
We do not need, gentlemen. We do not need name calling. We do not need name calling because we are not into. We don't need to do that here on the debate. It's an unfortunate part that tonight I am actually winding up this debate not on the subject matter but somewhere deviant to it. And I request our panelists to please. There are people who are watching and pointing an inference. They're making an inference and impression about you, and they're writing to us live on the news hour on a Sunday evening. I just request you, please make your charges, but let's refrain from name calling. It just brings down the level of the debate because I've spent more time trying to control that and talk about that than anything else. I don't need to do it with senior people like you. I am over time. I have to wind up. We continue to ask the questions of Mr. Rahul Gandhi and say, why aren't you acting against this Mantri? Is it because he's the money bags? Or is it because you have got another this in mind? And what is going to happen out of this cash unearthed? How fast is the investigation going to go forward, or is it going to hang in limbo? Because that's a charge against the BJP that stands and the government that stands. Because nothing's happened against Tejasvi Yadav, which gone into limbo. Nothing's happened against TTV Dinakaran. He's trying to exercise and regain control of the AIADMK now. And now with this DK Shivkumar. We are highlighting the facts and asking the questions. But we also want to see how it goes forward. Things go forward from both sides. Thank you very much. I have to wind up the news hour on that one.